Hey guys, I've got a fun homework activity for you to complete on Monday, Tuesday, and Wednesday. So you're going to play a Jeopardy Labs review game to prepare you for our Unit 3 Decimals test. Here's what you need to do. The first thing you'll do is you'll obviously watch this video that will be posted here on Mondays, on Tuesdays, and on Wednesdays. So here's how you complete the Jeopardy lab. The first thing you're going to do is you are going to click this link, highlight it, copy it, and paste it into a new browser. Okay, so on this part of the screen, you want to put how many teams will be playing. If it's just you, you'll change it to one team, or you could even click no teams if you don't want to keep up with points. If you want to play against your siblings or your parents or your grandparents or your adult that you live with, you can change it. We're just going to pretend it's two teams and I'm playing against Addison. Then you'll press start. So now you can choose your heading and number value. So I will go with powers of 10 for 100 and I'll click it and the question pops up. So the first thing you're going to do is use a whiteboard or piece of paper to solve this. Once you have your answer, you can click right here on the word that says space bar, or you can click the space bar to find the answer. If you got it right, you would give yourself the points. And to do that, you just click the plus and it will give you the correct amount. To go back to the game board, you can either click the escape button right here, or you can press escape on your keyboard. So now you can choose another one. So this time maybe word form and standard form for 100. Again, you click it. You would solve it on your whiteboard or paper. Click the spacebar button or the spacebar on your keyboard to reveal the answer. And then to go back to, if you got it right, you give yourself your point by clicking the plus sign. Then to go back to the game board, you press escape. So something I want to point out is you will practice this game on Monday, Tuesday, and Wednesday. Notice on Wednesday's to-do list, it says your Unit 3 math test is tomorrow. So you will take your Unit 3 math test on Thursday. I will tell you that some of the questions in Jeopardy Lab is taken straight off the test. All I did was change some numbers. So please make sure you're practicing. I want you to do well on the test. Have fun!